just to let you know. My
Mom's visiting. We tried to get her on here to get on the camera, but she
refuses to come on camera, but she doesn't. It's not stopping her from distracting us.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kevin. We're the Klar Brothers. Here for your health. What do we got going on today,
I like
buddy?
the new tagline.
Here for your health?
I like it. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. What do we got going on today?
Well, it's a buffalo chicken dip.
That's because we're doing it
For the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl.
For
America.
America. So, America's known for two things, right? 4th of July and
Super Bowl football? I don't know.
Yeah. I was asking you before, would you even know who's going to Super Bowl or what? Who's the halftime show or anything?
No idea. Have no idea.
Is it John Bon Jovi?
The only reason I go is for the dips.
For the dips? Okay.
Yeah, for the appetizers that they serve.
Right.
And sometimes they have a football pool where you don't need to know anything. You just
That's true. That's true. That does make it a lot more fun. Well, we got something super simple and super easy and super tasty that you can take with you to these football festivities. Instead of eating some of the less healthy items, you can have something. You can opt for something a little more healthy, right?
Exactly right. We know that one of the big temptations when you go to these parties is to eat the junk that's bound to show up. So what you can do to have something in your corner is you can bring something you know is healthy that you can have instead of the crap that's gonna like.
So we like to tell some of the folks that we work with is the best thing you can do is have a plan.
That's right.
Right. Have a plan, and then the second best thing you can do is bring what you think you can eat.
Right.
Or drink or whatever, right? If you bring it, you know you got it.
That's right. And the third best plan? Don't go. No, just kidding. You should go.
That's
but bring something.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Well, I know it looks complicated, and I know the number of ingredients is one of your pet peeves. This does have an unfair number of ingredients, but there's no fuss, no muss. It all goes into a big bowl. We throw it into the oven, and
what do we do with this?
Well, that we're gonna make see how we made little chips out of them? So let me walk you through it here before you get ahead of yourself.
What about this?
Hey, let me walk you through it before you get ahead of yourself. Okay, so we got the chicken, that's the main ingredient.
Take me through it, buddy. I want to see this up close and personal.
All right, you might have to remind me of some of these ingredients. Let's see, we got the chicken. It's kind of the main ingredient.
Okay.
And then we've got some cheese. It's going to go, this is mozzarella.
Right.
And then we've got some diced celery along with our celery sticks, but the celery sticks I'll leave for later. Then we've got, I think this is Greek yogurt, low-fat Greek yogurt. We got some onions that we're going to sprinkle on the top as kind of a garnish. We got some chicken broth. We got some blue cheese crumbles. We got some ranch dressing. You can also do blue cheese dressing if you prefer. And we've got our buffalo sauce, which is going to give it that kick.
I got the cucumber. If this was a whole cucumber, you slice off the end, you discard that piece. And then you cut these. My brother, sometimes he cuts them too thick. So you got to cut them pretty thin.
And how do you keep your fingers out of the way?
Wow, you better be careful because these Cutco knives, they're our sponsor. They are sharp.
They aren't our sponsor.
Well, didn't we get a sponsorship from one of the reps?
No,
gave us a really good deal.
He gave us a good deal, but that doesn't qualify. We want cash money.
Anyway, so you do that there, and then remember with these bell peppers, it's just like a bell pepper, but these are the minis. They come in a bag in the store with multiple colors, and this was the one that's got to be tricky. You got to kind of hold it in place so you can cut it down the middle, and then you just pull out the seeds and stuff that are inside, and now you got your little scoop.
Right, but you gotta get all those seeds because they're annoying. You don't want to be eating seeds.
So you get the seeds out, you tap it. Sometimes you can tap it, but that's it.
Good job, buddy.
These things are ready to go, bud.
You are proof positive that you can be taught things. Old dogs do learn new tricks. Okay, so now we're in the combining phase.
Right.
This is the most important.
We just combine everything?
No, we don't combine everything.
Oh.
That's the tricky part. So what we've got here is most of the ingredients. What did we leave out?
All we left out was the garnish, green onions.
Yeah.
And then the
dippage.
The dipping implements.
Yeah. So we got we got chicken first. We're gonna put half of the chicken.
No, all
the chicken.
Put all the chicken in there.
What was the half one that we had? The
half
mozzarella.
is the mozzarella because we're gonna put some of the mozzarella on top. I think.
Okay, so we got half of the mozzarella. We're gonna try and be a little bit scientific about it. There's half. Okay, now we're gonna got a spoon to get this stuff out because it's gonna want to stick to.
That's the Greek yogurt. This is the celery.
Yeah, go ahead. Yep, dump that in there.
This is the blue cheese crumbles.
And here, this is the ranch. We opted for ranch instead of blue cheese. Could we do blue cheese?
And this is the broth.
Chicken broth.
And this is the hot sauce.
Yeah, the buffalo sauce.
Buffalo sauce.
So I'm gonna see if I can stir this.
Yeah, do you want a bigger spoon, buddy? I offered you one like that at the beginning, and you said you turned me down. I think you turned up his nose sometimes.
I think this will be fine. My brother always thinks he knows.
I'm on a plate.
Oh, my mom's ready for a plate.
Mom's ready for it. Mom, you're on camera. You want a plate?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're not done yet. We haven't cooked anything.
Okay.
So what we didn't tell you was we got the chicken actually already kind of shredded up in the grocery
you
store.
gotta go with what you got there. We thought about a couple of different things. You could have done canned chicken.
Right.
You could have done rotisserie chicken.
Right.
And in this case, I think it was chicken breast, but it was basically chicken already kind of cut up, cubed up, not necessarily shredded, but cubed up and kind of small.
Not super shredded, but shredded enough.
In a plastic container. It was like more than we needed. It was basically almost the perfect amount, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit more than we needed.
Yeah. Okay, so here
So
we
now
are.
this is gonna go into our dish.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, my brother's gonna hold the dish there, make sure I don't get too much spillage.
Yeah, my brother could use his hand.
While I scoop it, trying to avoid using my hand. Because my brother wants me to, you always try to avoid what someone's telling you to do, so I don't want to use my hand, because that's what my brother recommended. Trying not to show my ball spot, because my brother's showing his. Okay,
look at that.
What did we do?
We did good. Got it all out there, and I think you put the mozzarella on top.
All right, yeah, and when we come back, we're going to be going into the oven. I don't know if the mozzarella goes on top now or later.
Okay, we're ready to go in the oven, right?
We
it's
are.
at 350.
We're not quite ready to go in the oven.
Oh, we are?
We got to cheese it up.
All right, cheese it up, buddy.
So we're putting a little mozzarella on top, and that's going to give us a little bit of an indication of how done it is. We're not really cooking anything here. We're just warming it. So we want the mozzarella cooked and slightly brown, and that way we'll know that the whole mixture is kind of baked through. Right.
And so it's going to go in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes or so until it's brown or cooked through and hot. It's kind of by the
I told him that already.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's okay.
I never listened to you.
My words always bear repeating. So Kev's going to go into the oven.
All right, what temperature is it at again?
350, baby.
Okay, just make sure.
Ready?
All right, ready. I'm ready.
You're wow. We were both trying to help the other one. Okay, ready? Which rack? Should I
Middle
put on
rack.
there? Middle rack. Okay, here we go.
Nice rack.
Set your clocks.
Set our clocks.
30 minutes. 30 to 35 is what it said. So we'll do for 30 minutes because we're hungry. And when we come back, we'll be bringing it out of the oven and we'll be kind of dishing it up.
Yeah. Look at that bubbling sensation there. Woo!
Wow. All right, what do you think? Should we use the same thing? What are you doing? You can't hog it all.
I was gonna make it so that I could dip it out. My scooper. My pooper scooper. Wait, there, I got mine.
Nice scoop. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
The bell pepper is sweet. It's a
Wow.
little sweet. Got
It's a little spicy at the end there because of the...
All right, I'm gonna switch to cucumber. Get a little of that on the top.
Okay.
That's not bad either.
Now celery. Whoa.
Wow. Not bad.
Well,
I think I like the bell pepper best.
I think I like the cucumber.
Nice.
Well, the bell pepper was kind of sweet. It kind of threw me off my groove. But it was good. I mean, hey,
And it doesn't get simpler than this, right? I
if
mean,
you're
a lot
gonna
of
snack,
ingredients,
if
but
you're gonna snack during the football game,
yeah,
and this is an awesome.
this is
choice.
a pretty good option. So we need them to try it.
That's right. They got to go to our YouTube page. They got to get this recipe, right?
And they got a comment that they tried it.
Yeah,
And
tell
if
us
they try,
how it was.
and if they tried, if you say hashtag I tried it, we'll send you a cookbook.
Yeah.
How about that?
Tell us hashtag tried it or hashtag how about
Hashtag been
recipe card.
There. Oh, okay.
We can send them a recipe card.
Sure. Hashtag recipe card. We'll
If
send
you want a recipe card, we'll send you the recipe card. If you want a cookbook, you hashtag, and we'll pick one of the people who post it, one of the millions of people.
Right.
Because we don't have an unlimited supply of the books.
That's true. We'll have a drawing. But if you want just the recipe in a nice little shiny card, we can absolutely do that for sure. So yeah, hashtag recipe card or hashtag cookbook, and we'll make it happen. My brother's got an unlimited amount of money.
Right. Yeah. With that, we're here for your health.
That's right. We are Brothers Bistro.